If you could go back in time and attend one music sitting, which song would you pick?
लग जा गले.
Have you ever been jealous of someone's craft?
No.
If you woke up as the following people, what would you do? Shreya Ghoshal.
Experience my voice.
Sunil
हमें मतलब
Chauhan.
long sur without taking a breath.
Arijit Singh.
Sing Deva Deva.
AI is a boon to the music industry.
Yes.
Be a part of reality show or attend award shows. If you could just pick one.
Reality shows.
Currently on your playlist, on loop.
It is Chhela. It is Jaan Le Gayi. And there's a song called Ujaan. Hi, this is Salim Merchant and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
Salimji, this was a pleasure.
Pleasure's
Quickly,
mine.
do we have time for a quick rapid fire?
Go for it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's do it.
Make it rapid.
Yeah, there better be fire in your answers. Okay,
Right.
सबसे पहला सवाल. Please complete the following sentence. If not a musician, I would be.
An architect.
Name an artist from the current generation who has the potential to be the next big thing.
Hansika Parekh.
Okay. If you could go back in time and attend one music sitting, which song would you pick?
Lag Ja Gale.
Oh. If you could switch voices with someone for a day, who would you choose?
An artist called Seal.
Name a song that you wish was part of your discography.
चुपके से रात की चादर.
Hi.
Good song.
If you woke up to the following people, as the following people, what would you do? Shreya Ghoshal.
Experience my voice.
Sunil
हमें मतलब
Chauhan.
yeah, sing. Try to sing for a very long time without like in a long sur without taking a breath.
Wow. Arijit Singh.
Difficult question. Sing Deva Deva.
Sukhwinder Singh.
Sing Chak De India.
Name top 3 songs that are currently on your playlist, on loop.
It'll be very stupid for me to because लोगों को लगता है मैं अपना ही ढोल बजा रहा हूँ. But it is Chhela. It is Jaan Le Gayi. And there's a song called Ujaan.
Ujaan.
Yeah. It's a song by Salim Sulaiman and it's sung by Shreya. यार मैं ना बहुत थोड़ा सा अभी क्या है ना कि मैं इतने गाने रिलीज करता हूँ ना कि मुझे सुनने का भी उसको एंजॉय भी कर रहा हूँ मैं क्योंकि एज अ म्यूजिशियन आई एम मेकिंग देम एंड रिलीजिंग देम and then I don't get to listen to them, so sometimes I just enjoy my own music.
Have you ever been jealous of someone's craft?
No.
This you've already answered, but I'll still ask, do you think AI is a boon to the music industry?
Yes.
Have you ever made music keeping reels in mind?
No.
Be a musician in the 80s or be a musician in 2080?
2080 तक तो जीऊंगा नहीं तो 20 तो
80s में जाना चाहेंगे.
हाँ जी.
Sing out every thought that's on your mind or have your thoughts displayed in bubbles over your head.
No, sing out. ये bubbles का क्या है यार?
Be a part of reality show or attend award shows. If you could just pick one.
Reality shows.
Thank you once again.
Pleasure.
Thank you for creating.
The last question was quite tricky though.
I don't know what you're saying.
See, reality shows are a lot of fun, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, and it's I mean I miss being a judge, quite honestly. It's a bit of a circus, but
But this is another property you can start. I'm telling you, we have ideas. Institute, reality show.
the thing is that reality shows में क्या होता है कि you know I learn a lot because it's such amazing artists that I experience them and I was like wow यार क्या गाता है बंदा क्या गाती है यार बंदी मजा आता है बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Wonderful. We look forward to the year 2025 with more Salim Sulaiman music, with many, many more amazing collaborations. Thank you so much, Salim.
My pleasure, Urmil. It's great to talk to you always.
Likewise. Thank you guys for watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
Hi, this is Salim Merchant and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.